Literally tens of thousands of Massachusetts residents lost power from Monday's windstorm. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon explains how utility companies work to get everyone back up and running.
60-mile-per-hour wind gusts across the area yesterday led to many downed trees and power outages. Westfield Gas and Electric was prepared. Spokeswoman Lisa Stoll told 22 News their resources are limited, so as soon as they have an inkling of an incoming windstorm, they request help from New England Public Power Authority so they can get their customers' power back quickly. Eversource was also ready to go out and fix any issues. They had crews on duty since the start of the windstorm, including line workers, underground crews, and tree contractors, and residents noticed.
Those guys are under plenty of stress as it is, so I can completely understand why those guys are trying to get the power up as quick as possible.
Eversource said they prepare for these kinds of storms year-round by constantly updating their system to make it more resilient to severe weather. But we shouldn't see any more wind-related power outages again this week.